What's up, everybody? Just a quick, I've never done this yet, but I'm going to be buying product from my own vending machine. I have quarters here, and I'm just going to go until they're gone, and we'll see what I get. Oh wait, I do have this in the way. Poppets are... they're green apple flavored, mate. Okay, let's see what I get. Sometimes this thing doesn't hand me anything. I think it has to push things to the bottom, but I'll just play it again. Look, a spider. What is that, a gummy spider or is he plastic? And then I'll just move these to the top. You can tell it's already moving down. Oh, look, one of those unicorn things. Probably won that on video. Oh, Blue Alien, which I probably got from the same store that the pink guy. Nice. Little Timmy, used to play vending machines, but he'd actually collect them. I wouldn't play them for prizes on giveaway nights and stuff. Machine's doing pretty good, handing out prizes. Just needs to be filled. Hey, look, another one, a purple one. Nice. Oh, nothing, so I'm gonna have to... last quarter too. Oh, come on, it's 2 in a row it didn't give me. I'm gonna see what's going on and then give me my quarters back. I have one that's too big, but I did that on purpose. Look at this. I spent that. I played a couple more times. It kept taking money, so. I think I had 3 quarters and 1 roll of quarters. I mean, I just had 50 cents. I don't know. Let's see what's going on to the machine. Huh. These need to be pushed more. There's nothing at the bottom, you know. Some of the toys weren't, you know, where you turn the thingamajig, they're not down there, I guess. There need to be more weight. So I'm gonna try one more time. I think it's jiggling. And turn. Oh, there's something there. I'll end today off with a temporary tattoo, man. Nice. Put this back in the door. Yeah, thanks for watching.